Select La Liga, here we go. Let's do this thing. Thank you guys for getting this one full. Here we go. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't remove them. God damn it. All right, let's wait 1 second. I have to remove Barcelona, obviously. 5 times, here we go. 1. Just Napoli left. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is Sevilla. 5 times Sevilla on top. Kent Yagasala, congratulations, Kento. Let's give you FC Barcelona. Here we go. Get Napoli. There's some really, really nice cards associated with Napoli in this one. Hey Mel, I'm good. How are you? All right, Moralans, Maximiliano, Ramiro, Luis Enrique for Real Betis, Alexander Sola, Hernandez, Anastasios Douvikas, Servadao Machis, and the tie-dye of Jonathan Bamba to 30. Rage, how you doing? Oh, what? You should have told me. Kubo, Stain. 249, Joe Relics of Pedri and Gavi. Orange, Iago Aspas, number 249. I have been a mess the past couple of days, so probably you would have seen me at my worst. So Vivendi, Felix, Gimenez, Blue, Ledesma. Oh, really? Refractor, Marc-Andre ter Stegen. Did you get in? Because I know they were saying that Manoa via Mounier, they had to cut the line off a fair bit for Athletic Club. And Jan Oblak to 99. Oh, that's sick. Roque, Rodriguez, Samu. Shimia Villa for Real Betis. And Rafa Marin for Alaves to 99. That's so cool. Okay. How about Meunier? Oscar Mingueza and Jose Maria Jimenez for Atletico Madrid to 25. Yeah, they said Batista, Rodriguez, Redmond Gomez. Jude Bellingham. Pereira. Roger Marty, red yellow. So I think that's meant to be Miguel Gutierrez. Oh, visionary rookie. Nico Williams, keeper, Risa Balaga 1. It's Assane Diao, visionary for Real Betis. White Berenguer to 20. Someone told me about Assane Diao. Alcaraz, Garcia, red Gumbau. And Samu Costa. Pelestri, Jorgensen, DePaul, Fran Perez, and Baena Future. And that is that for Select 21168. Yeah, they